If you want to engage site visitors with TikTok videos on your WordPress website, you've clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you the best TikTok widget to display your TikTok content in a beautiful feed like this on your WordPress website. This is by using the Smashballoon TikTok Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase TikTok Feeds Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download TikTok Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on your dashboard on the left-hand side, hover over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for TikTok Feed Pro. Then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, TikTok Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started on the left-hand side, you'll now notice TikTok Feeds. Click on that. Now, inside the plugin at the top, we can paste our license key from our Smashballoon account and click Activate. And over here, we can get started with creating our new TikTok feed. Go ahead and click Add New. And for the first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click on Add Source. Here we can click on Connect with TikTok. Go ahead and log into your TikTok account. And on this screen, we're giving Smashballoon access to our TikTok account. You can leave everything as is and click Continue at the bottom. You'll then get this prompt here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. And back inside TikTok Feed Pro, we can see our account now added as a source. We can select it, then click Next. And for the final step of creating our TikTok feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, cards, list, and more. For this video, let's go with the showcase carousel one down here. Once selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new TikTok feed inside the plugin. And since we selected the carousel layout, all the posts inside our feed will swipe through automatically like this. This is now ready to be embedded inside our WordPress web page, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. Here you'll find all the options to modify the layout of your TikTok feed. And we currently have the carousel layout selected. This allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. Alternatively, you can go with the grid layout, which displays your videos in rows and columns. Next, the list layout, that displays your videos in a single column list. After that, the masonry layout, which displays your videos in masonry tiles. And lastly, the gallery layout. This one features a video player at the top of your feed, with the rest of the videos displayed in a grid layout underneath. For this video, let's continue with the carousel layout. And if I scroll down, you can choose the number of posts you want to display inside your feed. At the moment, we're displaying 10 videos, which you can swipe through like this. But if you want to modify that, just change this to the number of videos you want to display. For example, let's go with 4. And straight away, you can see that our feed has updated to only display 4 videos in total, like this. But for now, let's change that back. I'm going to go with 10. Next, we can also choose how many columns we want inside our feed. Currently, we only have 1, but to modify that, just change it to the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 3. And right now, we have 3 columns inside our feed. And it's still in the carousel layout too. So each page in our carousel features 3 posts, just like this. But for now, I'm going to change that back to 1, like so. And if I scroll down, you can also choose what elements you want to display inside your feed, such as the navigation arrows. Once enabled, you can see those here with the left and right button. We can also choose to show the pagination dots at the bottom. If you wanted to hide that, just deselect it over here. Now that's hidden. Let's bring that back. And we can also enable autoplay if we wanted to. And once enabled, it will automatically cycle through the videos inside your feed, just like this. But for now, I'm going to disable autoplay, and if you're happy with the layout of your TikTok feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to customize the header at the top of your feed, under the Customize tab, go into Header. Inside this menu, you can see all the different elements that you can find inside your header, such as the profile picture, name, username, and more. Each of these elements can be hidden or displayed depending on your needs. If I wanted to hide the profile picture, we can hide it like this. And the profile picture will now be hidden inside our feed. If I wanted to bring it back, it's just as simple, just select it over here. And you can do this with all the other elements as well, like the name, username, description. You get the idea. I'm going to bring those back. And if you wanted to disable the header entirely, just toggle it off at the top, just like this. But for this video, I'm going to bring that back. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. If you want to filter the content inside your TikTok feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here you can add words as filters so that your TikTok feed only shows or hides videos containing those words. For example, if I wanted to hide this video here, you can see that the caption has the word kitchen in it. So if I type in kitchen into this filter here, or do not show posts containing that word, let's go with kitchen. You can see that update immediately, and your TikTok feed will no longer show you any videos containing the word kitchen in the caption. I'm going to reset that. There we go, it's back to normal. With this option, you can choose the exact videos you want to display inside your TikTok feed. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your TikTok feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress webpage. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with this one here, and click Add. On your page, all you have to do is add a shortcode block. like this, and paste the shortcode that you copied earlier over here. Once that's done, we can click on Save and check out what that looks like on the live WordPress webpage. And now on our live WordPress webpage, we can see our brand new TikTok feed right here in the middle. It's featuring the latest TikTok videos from the Green Grove Eatery TikTok account, which is the account we connected, and it's displayed in the showcase carousel template which we selected. So when a site visitor sees our TikTok feed, they can swipe through the videos like this by clicking on the buttons or the pagination dots at the bottom. If they want to watch one of the videos, they can click on it like this and watch that TikTok video directly on your WordPress website. And what's cool is, if that video finishes, it will automatically keep looping just like on TikTok itself. At the top of the feed, inside the header, we have the profile picture, account name, bio, other details below, but on the right hand side, you'll find a button that says follow on TikTok. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to your TikTok profile, making it super convenient for site visitors to go and follow you directly from your TikTok widget on your site. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to create, customize, and embed a TikTok widget like this on your WordPress website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They're happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.